So you've got a tight neck and you're looking to kind of stretch it nice and gently and easy. So you can do it just by sitting and letting that fold down like that. If that's not quite cutting the mustard, you want to add a little bit more weight, you can use your hand or sit on your leg like that, sit on your hand like that, and then use this hand to gently, making sure you've checked with your healthcare practitioner, make sure it's like safe for you. Just opening that up more like this, but this is just more for education. Holding for 30 to 90 seconds and then breathing. Depending on where you hold your head, you're gonna get different muscles. So coming through there, opening more up the one through the back, coming back like that, kind of more to the front through here. That's really nice. It's something you can do really simply at your desk to really help. You won't look too funny, particularly at your lunch break. But then when you get home, there's a stretch you can do with your towel to see if you can get a little bit more out of it. Once again, make sure you check with your professional to make sure it's appropriate with you. And I've got my towel. I'll hold it like that, that end, hold the other end, and then just simply tucks like that. And then I can stretch like that. If that's not quite getting it, all I need to do then is switch my hands. So I can go nice and deep, hold like that. You never want to crack your neck, like you don't want to force your neck into any position, but it can, at the end of the day, if it's really stiff, you might find that really helpful. So you just start like this, grab, coming under like that, and then moving like that. It's a nice little stretch. If that's not quite getting it, you just switch your hands and you can go a little bit deeper.